more.
Okay, sige sir. So, para sa ginawa kong plan, dun sa day 1, so imagine, pagdating pa lang nila, like, siguro maganda kung gusto sila dumating. Yun.
Parang napagod ako sa mga sinasabi mo.
Let us now consider the second idea, Mr. Dichoso. If I may?
Sure. Magkoconnect ka.
No need. You see, Mr. Dichoso, when I was a teenager, I had the privilege attending a talent camp. And what made it truly special, aside from the supportive facilitators, was the incredible atmosphere. Naniniwala ako na isang tahimik at well-structured venue is essential to having a very successful seminar. That's why I'm very excited to share with you. Let me introduce our mindfulness and wellness retreat. A transformative escape designed to nurture the mind, the body, and the soul. Picture yourself practicing yoga by the pool, experiencing sound healing, enjoying fresh farm-to-table meals, taking peaceful nature walks, and of course, participating in creative workshops, all in a setting that encourages deep learning and personal renewal, right here at the Escape Haven. Kabog.
Alright. Mas gusto ko yung sinabi mo. Yan. Yan ang gagawin natin.
Sure. Perfect.
Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh! Nakita niya yung deck ko! Ako, ba't ko paksi? Nung nasira yung laptop ko, pinaayos ko sa kanya, tapos inaayos niya kunwari. Pero ang totoo no, nasilip niya yung presentation ko, tapos ginaya niya eh.
Paano naman niya gagahin yung deck mo? Eh, wala naman siyang pinakitang presentation.
Tsaka bakit hindi mo ba matanggap na lot-lot deliang ka ngayon, friend? At hindi yung deck mo ang gusto niya?
Basta binabida siya, okay? At di ko palalagpasin tong ginawa niya. At, ay, nakaka...
Guys, Mr. Dichoso's inviting me out for a meal. I'll be bringing Sean along para ma-discuss nila ang details ng talent bootcamp.